Okay, merge to sorted list. Let me start the timer. So merge to sorted linked lists and return it as new linked list. The new linked list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two node lists. So I think merging to sorted linked list is easy, but the problem is we shouldn't allocate new memories. So I think how we would do it is that we can create a new head. So we can do list node, and we're gonna create a head. Equal to new list node 0. So this dummy is going to be we're gonna use this dummy to point to the new linked list. But we also need another variable to swap the dummy head and the linked list node, the first list node. Okay, so so while head.next is not equal to null. Wait, hold up. I was thinking another problem. Alright, so and head is equal to dummy. So so while L1 value while L1 is not equal to null, or L2 is not equal to null, so if hold up. Okay, so now we're going to compare the values of these two nodes. So L1 dot value, if L1 dot value is larger than L2 dot value, so the first linked list, the value of the first linked list is larger than the value of the second linked list, which means we need to we want to move L2 forward for the next iteration. So head dot next should be pointed to L2, and then L2 is equal to L2 dot next. Else, so otherwise we will point the next pointer of head node to L1, and then L1 is equal to L1 dot next. So now we're done with the while loop, and right now either one of the linked lists or both linked lists have reached the end. So say if L1 is equal to null, it's not equal to null. So which means that the L1 is not, it has not reached the end yet. Damn it, man. We are going to point the next, wait, hold up, I forgot. So after the if statement, what we should do is we should update the pointer of head. Let me check my flights going. Okay. So head dot next is equal to next. So the next pointer points to head node. Alright, so after we got out of the while loop, we need to see, okay, so now L1 is not equal to null. If it's not equal to null, then head.next is equal to L1. Or if L2 is not equal to null, then head next is equal to L2. So we're pretty much done with the concatenation, and right now we need to return the dummy head. So return dummy.next. Let's see if this is correct. Runtime error. Alright, so first of all, we need to make sure that L1 and L2 is not equal to null. Last executed input. Okay. So alright, so if L1 is equal to, wait, you know what? Can we, if, okay, can we do this? If this is else, if L2 is not equal, how do we, you know what? I'll just say if L1 is equal to null, or if L1 is equal to null, then we can just return L2, right? Wait, I don't understand. Why can we? So L1 is null now. Why is it 14? So if one of them is equal to null, what the heck? So I think what we should do is, if this is not equal to null, and okay, this should be an AND statement. So we want them both to be not equal to null, because when one of them reaches the end, we want it to get out of the while loop. Alright, so let's try. What? Alright, let's try it again. Accept it. Perfect. So it's very straightforward. Alright. Thanks for watching.